Assalamu alaikum, girls. Can you hear my voice? Okay. So we will start in few minutes so that other girls also join. Okay. Good. Please tell other girls also to join so that we can start in 5 minutes. Okay, we will start now. Let other girls also come so that I will take pictures of the names so that I can give marks to them. Okay. Now, Okay. We will start. No need to write in the chat box. Okay. We will start our presentation.
FaceTime video.
So this presentation is about PTE. So how you can how the PTE exam should be. PTE means Pearson Test of English. So before giving the eligibility test, we need to prepare for Pearson Test of English. Why do we give this test? Because if we want to go to higher education, or you want to see the grade of your English, so you give the exam. So this test is called, it's an exam for introducing, it was introduced by Pearson PLC, okay, whose purpose is to check the English language proficiency. They will check your English language proficiency and give you the marks about it. So we have 3 versions of PTE. PTE Academic, PTE General, and PTE Young Learners. This PTE Young Learners is for the young people from the school, not from the college, okay, under 18. Next, how you can give the PTE test. The format is, it is divided into 4 modules: speaking, writing, reading, and listening. So here is the question format. In question format, first you have to give your personal information, and the time allotted for all these is 77 to 93 minutes, and total items are 42 to 47. That means how you have to give this. This comes under speaking and writing. First, you have to write or speak about personal information, introduction, then read aloud. They will give you one paragraph, small paragraph of 5 lines. You have to read it aloud. Then repeat the sentences. Repeat the sentences. You have to repeat it. The teacher will tell you, the person will tell you, this is already computer based. So computer will tell you the sentence, you have to repeat it. Next, describe the image. They will give you one image, you have to describe it. Then retell lecture. How to retell the lecture? They will provide you the lecture. Then you have to retell it. Next, answer short questions. They will give you some short questions, you have to answer it. Summarize written text in 1 sentence. Summarize written text in paragraph. You have to write the essay, and the essay time is 20 minutes. Reading question format is multiple choice questions, reorder paragraphs, and fill in the blanks. The time allotted for reading is 32 to 41 minutes. The total items are 15 to 20. For listening, the time allotted is 45 to 57 minutes, and total items are 15 to 22. Now the question format for this is summarize spoken text, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, highlight the correct summary, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, write from diction. So write from diction means they will tell you one paragraph, fill in the blanks will be there. You have to complete the diction. Now, how to prepare for PT exam? You have to understand the PT exam.